Eurogames Ltd is a European trading company with a production factory situated in Varna, Bulgaria. The main activity is related to the manufacture, delivery, maintenance and service of tourist attraction trains, coaches for the trains, special vehicles, etc. During the years the company has gained a serious professional experience in the production of luxurious custom-made trains. Besides the many clients in Bulgaria, we work with people all over the world. The newest trends of our company are related to the idea of green transport and relaxation, namely through the production of hybrid, electric, slow-moving attraction trains. This type of train doesn't need a charging station and can surmount slopes over 10% through its own energy of the hybrid engine. The closed-type coach can be used all year round. It has 20 to 28 seats and a possibility for the windows to be opened. It is equipped with air brakes, a heating system, a sound system, and we can put bicycle racks and a platform for disabled. Eurogames Ltd has experience in accomplishing projects assigned from different Bulgarian and European municipalities, parks and resort complexes. The company owns and produces many attraction trains running on gasoline, gas, diesel, electricity, also hybrid models with minimal harmful emissions of the exhaust gases according to the European Directives for Ecology, Euro 5 and 6. The opened type coaches with 20 to 28 seats, and there can be put a special glass protecting from rain and wind. It is equipped with air brakes, a sound system, and we can put bicycle racks and a platform for disabled. Eurogames Ltd offers full warranty and service. The manufacturing and the service of the produced by the company attraction trains are according to the routed and integrated systems. For quality control, ISO 9001 to 2008. For environmental protection, ISO 14001 to 2004. Health and safety working conditions, OHSAS 18001 to 2004.